We're here today on a Nimbus 365. This boat's equipped with two Volvo Penta D4 300 engines, I think, and we've got a bow and stern thruster standard. The customer also has, I don't believe he's got the anchor connected to his Yacht Controller because he's mostly using the boat on the rivers, so I won't be showing the anchor today. We need to move the boat about 40 meters from here to another mooring. So some work can be done here. I'll just show you how I get off the mooring with the Yacht Controller. So, first of all, I've only just got on this boat, so I need to find the Yacht Controller, but the customer's put it down here. So, at the helm there's a switch, on and off switch for the receiver. I'll just put this on now. The engines are running, as you can hear. So in a moment the receiver will beep. It's searching for the transmitter. So here's the transmitter to start it. I push these two, and then we have a safety feature here, top right twice, and when it starts to blink, then I know I have connection. So just to check that, I'll check the bow thruster. They need to be on, and everything's working fine. Engines are working. Great, so the next step is to go outside and take the lines off. So I'll start with the stern line, so you can see how nice it is when you're alone. You can just move the boat into the mooring to take the lines off. Just moving the boat in so I can get on. Okay. So what's really nice here is that good on the Nimbus there's an advantage anyway because you've got the side doors here. But as long as I can see the side here, I know that I'm not going to touch the boat on the port side. I just engage the port engine. Both engines. Looking good behind us. And now we're free. So we might take the opportunity to spin the boat because we want to go down to the port. So we'll just make our way to the bow and then. So now I'm just going to turn with the two engines. So we've got starboard fore and port aft, and that's coming around nicely. You can do now just with the bow and stern thruster, just to give you a feeling. Okay. It's a really nice sensation standing at the bow of the boat and moving around the harbour like this. Today is a very relaxed day, there's no wind, so not much of a challenge. But when we gear in these two D4 300 PS engines, there's no need to accelerate at all. What we've got here when we gear in is just the idle speed basically, so 700 RPM. So we need to pick out a mooring here. We were moored on the starboard side. It would appear that we don't, maybe right at the end there, there's a mooring free, so I'll just make my way down with the two engines now. So at the moment the rudder is in a neutral position, and we're just steering with the bow and stern thruster. So what I'm going to do is just turn the remote control around because I'll be facing backwards, and by doing that I now have the right direction. So when I turn around now, I want to put the boat over here on the right hand side, so I'll just start by turning the boat with the thrusters. I'm going to now use the thrusters and the two engines, and the boat moves around really quickly. Well, it's nice not being, as I said before, we're not stuck at the helm, and we can really put the boat as close as we want to the boat. So at this point, I'm slowing the boat down with the engine, and I'll just put the remote control around the other way and take care of the lines. That's it.